अस्सलामुअलैकुम, नमस्ते, हेलो, आदाब, दुबई। आरजे जट एक मरतबा फिर आपके साथ। आज जो मेरे गेस्ट हैं जिनके साथ आपकी मुलाकात करवाने जा रहा हूँ, उनके बारे में सिर्फ ये कहूँगा कि हज़ारों साल नरगिस अपनी बेनूरी पे रोती रही। बड़ी मुश्किल से पैदा होता है चमन में दीदावर पैदा। पाकिस्तान हो, इंडिया हो, दुबई हो, न्यूयॉर्क हो, यूरोप हो, कहीं पे भी पाकिस्तानियों की, इंडियंस की कोई पार्टी इस शख्स की बीट्स के बगैर कभी भी मुकम्मल नहीं होती। मेरी मुराद है इस वक्त जिनके साथ मैं बैठा हूँ, डीजे शैडो, वन ऑफ द टॉप एंड बेस्ट डीजे इन यूएई। हाय शैडो, हाउ आर यू?
Good, and thank you for having me.
So Shadow, how you feel like when you are like best DJ everywhere, crazy for you. People come in the club because they see the name DJ Shadow. How you feel?
It feels great. I've worked a lot for reaching where I am, but this is just the start of the journey. There's a lot for me to achieve, and that's where I'm headed to right now.
DJ Shadow, we want to know about your like where you grow up, what's your education, which you from.
So I'm born and raised in Dubai. I'm a Dubai boy, and I did my engineering in BITS Pilani, Dubai, and did my marketing communications in masters as well. But somewhere along the line, I realized that music is not just a hobby, but it's more a part of life. So I decided to pursue it, and a decade after, here I am.
Shadow, engineer, then marketing. This, engineer people is thinking about that, okay, I just do my career in engineering. Marketing people is thinking, oh, we have a very small life, just do the marketing and sales and achieve the target. How then become the best DJ in the town?
So actually, from childhood, music was a part of life, but I never thought I would become a DJ or anything related to music. I always thought it was just something like a hobby. And when I was a teenager, then I tried DJing and stuff like that. But then somewhere along the journey, I realized that I do have a passion for it. So why not try my hands into it? And then I got really, really serious into it. And like I said, for me, music is a part of life. So I want to take it seriously and take Indian music and Bollywood music worldwide. That's what my aim is.
And Shadow, you are the Masala Award winner and then also a lot of awards. So, कैसा लगता है कि जब stage पे call किया जाता है the best DJ in the town, the awards goes to DJ Shadow?
I think that's what we all work for because, if the crowd doesn't like you, then what's the point? So we all work towards the crowd feedback, and when I get an award, that it means that I've done something particularly which made the crowd happy this year. So yes, awards and audience feedback is very, very important.
DJ Shadow के बारे में I want to just tell you something about Shadow. Shadow is not working first time with the Bohemia. He worked with the Badshah. He worked with the Honey Singh. So let's ask him how he feel the working with the big stars in the Punjabi industries and rap industries.
I think the best part about collaborating with another artist on an original song is the energy and the vibe. You get to learn a lot, especially Bohemia Paji is like, very experienced. So meeting him or working with him or sitting down with him is an experience in itself. And he's a poet. He's not. I wouldn't call him a rapper. He's a poet. Like whenever he writes lines, it's magical. So being with him in the studio, talking to him, sharing ideas was a experience I cannot put into words. It was amazing. It was not just in terms of music, but just in terms of life. It was life changing.
People take time to go on this position, work with the Bohemia, work with Badshah. Like in the teenager, you are working with these celebrities. What is your future plan?
Well, a lot of plans actually. Like I said, I want to take Indian Bollywood, Asian music worldwide. So I want to do a lot more collaborations with people from the West. But yes, I've been lucky, having collaborated with Badshah, Yo-Yo Honey Singh, Bohemia. I think, they have heard my sounds. They perform a lot in Dubai. They heard my sounds. And was just, in my luck, they agreed to work with me in their music. So, yeah.
Shadow, when you perform live, not in the club, when you perform in the live, so sometimes fan is become crazy for you. Have any experience like that?
Lots of experiences, but that's I like it when they go crazy because that's what we worked hard for. We want them to become crazy. Yes, we have sometimes fans not troubling, but going and passing a line they shouldn't. But trust me, fans are what makes me happy, and all these fans are the reason why we're here.
And we want to you have any plan to work in future with the West rappers and singers?
Yes, definitely. So my track with Badshah also featured Sean Paul. I've also done a track with an artist called Raven Justice. But that's certainly something I'm working towards. So I'm from Dubai, so living here, we exposed to music from the West and the East. Other than Arabic music, obviously. So working with an Indian artist and someone from the West is definitely something I'm looking forward to in the future.
And the last thing I want to know, Pakistani peoples love you, Indian peoples love you, and what about the Arabic? You are a Dubai guy, Dubai-born guy. How they love you?
I think Dubai has given me so much love that I'm not an Arab, but I feel like I'm part of this country. That's one of the reasons I'm also called DJ Shadow Dubai. They've given me too much love, and like even the Pakistanis actually. I've never been to Pakistan yet. That's the place I want to go to next. I've got a lot of inquiries from Pakistan, so hopefully Pakistan is the next place I'm coming to.
You have any plan to work with any Pakistani singer?
Well, actually, I've released a track already with Falak Shabir. There's a track called Ikwar, which released a couple of years back. I've also collaborated with Zunair Khalid from Pakistan. But yes, Bohemia is Pakistani as well. So yeah, but, I mean, I think Pakistani artists have a lot of edge in their voice, a lot of rawness. So yeah, I like working with. To be honest, I don't see a difference between Indians and Pakistanis brought up in Dubai. We are grown in a community where we have a lot of Arab friends, a lot of Indians, Pakistanis. So I don't see the difference. But yes, musically, there's a lot of difference between these artists. And yes, Pakistani artists are, I love working with them as well.
And I think so. The artist is the ambassador of the peace. He don't care about the boundaries. They have no boundaries. They don't have a borders. They work for a peace for all of the culture, promote the culture.
Yes, definitely. We don't. Music doesn't have any boundaries. Like I just performed in Jammu, so they asked me a similar question, and I was like, we produce music which are heard in different parts of the world, and that brings us together, that unites us together.
So, a last message for all of your fans from all over the world.
I just want to say, keep supporting. You guys have brought me up here, and I'm going to work harder to, like I say, to take the Asian music worldwide, and that's my ambition, and I'm definitely going to do that as long as you guys keep supporting me.
Wish you all the best, DJ Shadow. And you're watching WorldPoint TV with RJ Jat. Keep supporting to DJ Shadow Dubai. Follow him on Instagram, on Facebook page, on his Twitter for his latest update. Thank you so much. You're watching WorldPoint TV with RJ Jat. Thank you, cameraman Fawad Ahmed with RJ Jat. Thank you. Thank you so much. The last bites I need.